Good morning again, Highlanders, and here are the morning announcements. Our Sunshine State Reader and Battle of the Books book today is Charlie Hernandez in the League of Shadows. And this book is about Charlie Hernandez, who sprouts horns and feathers and realizes that all of the myths his grandmother has told him might be real. This happens at the same time that his house burns down and his parents have gone missing. Charlie and his friend Violet embark on a journey to discover Charlie's life is linked to the balance between the land of the living and the land of the dead. Charlie works hard with Violet to battle all of the myths as he travels through parts of Florida and Central America, desperately trying to find and save his parents. So that's Charlie Hernandez and the League of Shadows. Today's hot option is beef dippers. Cold options are Greek salad. Today is also Unity Day, so I'm sporting orange, and I know a lot of your teachers are as well. We're wearing orange to promote Unity Day and kindness amongst our community here at the school. Don't forget IXL and iREADY students, your battle continues on as you compete in our World Series of IXL and iREADY. And also students, make sure you're on time to class every period, every day. Teachers are marking tardies, and we are having tardy detentions. We had our first one yesterday, and we'll have another one on Thursday for students who are tardy. So don't get caught up in the sweep. Make sure that you are on time and ready to learn. As always, students, if you have a conflict with a peer, or if you know of a conflict between peers, please seek the assistance of an adult to help you in solving the matter. Here at Dunedin Highland Middle School, our rep is respect, excellence, and pride. Have a great day. Go Highlanders!